Hi everyone, welcome back and thanks for joining me. This is Jonna with Purple Girl Crafts. Today we're going to be making this full flip card. Next to the back is just a white piece. And then when you open up the card, you'll see that you flip it all the way around and you'll get this little house that's displayed on top. And it says, "From our house to yours, happy holidays." This card doesn't require any die cuts. I did use a die cut on the gingerbread men, but those I had pre-done. And the trees, you can either use embellishments that you have or whatever. The house, I will include that in the December design folder. So let's just go ahead and get started. So we'll grab our scoreboard. And for our first piece, we're going to need two of these, and these are going to be cut at 5 by 6. On that 6-inch side, we're going to score this at 1/2 inch. And you're going to do that on both pieces. So that's just the base of the card. Then we will need two more pieces, and this is going to be designer paper, and these are going to be cut at 4 3/4 by 5 1/4. And this is that double-sided, or double-sided paper, so it doesn't matter which direction. All right, so that's all the pieces that we need for this card. So we'll get rid of our scoreboard. And then for the first two pieces, so the top and the bottom, you're just going to fold that score mark in and then crease it out. You could have made this card a little bit longer if you wanted to. You could do it 7 inches long, but I just did this 5 by 5 1/2. Right, so those are our two pieces. So we have the front and the back, and because they're the white cardstock, it doesn't matter which way you lay them. So we're just going to start with one of them, and we're going to glue that first top piece on, and I'm just using that Fairly Art glue. And I'm just going to lay this down, make sure I've got that nice even border all the way around, and then just push out that glue. Right, so that's for one piece. Because this paper is the both same on top and bottom, it doesn't matter what direction you're going. But if you were doing pattern paper or something different, you'd want to make sure you get your top and bottom. So this piece is going to be on the inside, and we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to glue that other piece down. And if you folded, or if you glued it to the wrong side of one of the pieces, you could just turn that fold over. So don't worry about that. All right, so we have our two pieces. And these are going to go together, so they're just going to get glued just like this, but we're not going to do that until we do the inside of the card. So they're just going to get together and then it'll stand up like that. Right, so for our card, for the house, so this is the card that I made, and I did leave that little border at the bottom because that's what's going to get glued to this little top panel. And I do want to leave a little border all the way around the bottom because I've got a border going around the rest of the card. So you're just going to lay this on the card, and we're just going to glue it to that flap when it's folded down so that when it lifts up, it'll stand up. And again, we're just going to put glue, but I want to make sure I leave that border just a little bit showing because I've got the border around the rest of the card or the house where I cut it out. So just put just a little bit of glue on the bottom. And now you can lay this flat or you can do it like I'm going to do it here. And I'm just going to line it up because again, I want to make sure I've got that little border around the house, just like I do around the rest of it. And this doesn't have to be exactly the center. If you're going to put some other decorations, you could off center this and put it to the side if you wanted. However you want to create it. All right, so that piece is down. And then I've got these trees, and these are left over from the abominable snowman that I did. So I'm just going to put these in. I'm going to glue them again to the back. So you're going to glue this on that little flap again. You want to make sure it doesn't go past that edge. Make sure it's straight, and then we're just going to lay this down and glue it. I'm just going to put just a little bit of glue on there, not much, because again, this is going to get sealed closed when we put that other piece on. Oops, that didn't work. Let me try that again. So let me just tuck this under here. And then make sure it's straight, because mine's crooked. Oh boy, it's really fighting with me. Okay, that's better. All right, so I'm just going to push this down, make sure it stays. All right, that looks better. Right, and then I'm also going to glue it to the house, just to the edge of the house, just a little bit of glue. Now I did take white, just acrylic paint, and I painted all the white on here just to make it stand out a little bit more. And when the camera doesn't do it justice, but you can see it looks a little thicker around where the snow would be. And then we're going to put the second tree on. Now you could put it on the outside, but it's going to just sit there on that white piece of cards. So you can either do it there or on the back. But I also have a set of steps. And again, this is part of the drawing, so it'll be in that folder. And we're just going to put the steps on the very front. I'm just going to make sure it's right in the center. Then I'm just glued it to that front side of the panel so that that will be seen when the card stays open. And that tree is not sticking for some reason, probably because of the paint. And then we could put this on here. And then I also have a couple bushes. I did these a brighter green just so they would stand up just a little bit more. And we could put these on either side of the steps. And then again, like, I like to just lay my stuff out before I glue it just to see where I like it best. So we could hide the stem or the trunk of the tree under here. Yeah, I don't like it like that. I think I'm going to put it behind it. Maybe let's see how that looks. Just like the other one. Yeah, I like it better like that. So we're just going to glue that one down. So again, I'm just going to put just a little bit of glue on it. I'm going to poke it back through that little opening that I have. And then just line it up where I want it. And then just make sure it's glued. Again, make sure it doesn't go past that piece. You want to leave that little bit so that you can glue that other side. And then we'll stick this one down to the other tree. The paint is making it very hard to stick though. All right, perfect. All right, then we'll put the bushes just on the side of the steps. And you can have them cover them up a little bit, or you can have them just get right next to it, whichever one you prefer. So I'll just glue these down. And that looks good just right there. All right, then we're going to take and we're going to put the other piece on. So again, this is going to get glued right to here. But before we do that, as I'm doing this card, I'm thinking, I think I should have cut this so it looks like snow a little bit. So you can definitely do that before you put your pieces on there. You can cut these down. Don't do it too much. But I'll show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to scrub both these and we're going to cut. I think I'm going to put them together just like they would be on the card. So put them so the front is facing forward. And then just line these up. I'm going to grab a clip. And I'm going to clip these together just so they hold. And then I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm just going to cut just a little wavy line just so that it looks like snow. So I don't like the way it's just that sharp corner on there. And I'm going to cut it right to that little bush, go right behind it. And then we'll do it on the other side too. I'm just making sure it's still lined up. Now this one is going to be a little bit trickier because the tree is in the way. I'm just going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to hold it and then just do just a little wavy line and I'll just go right up to the tree. And making sure I don't cut the tree. I think that just makes it, it flows a little bit better and so it doesn't look, just that border doesn't look as sharp on there. All right, so again, this will get glued to the front here. But before we do that, let's work on the inside. So I've got my 2 sentiments, which are Happy Holidays and From Our House to Yours. And I'm just going to glue these down. And then I also have some gingerbread men. And these are from a stamp set, and I'll put that in the content of the video where I have all my supplies. These, I think I'm going to do is I'm going to try and decorate these. So I'm just going to grab a piece of extra paper. And I'm just going to put those little squiggly lines on his feet, on his hands. And I'm going to do this to all of them. And then I'm just going to take a black marker or pen and do his eyes. I'm just using a gel pen for that. And then his little smiley face, and that's it. So that's enough on there. You don't have, I didn't have to decorate them. I think they'll look cute if they're decorated. All right, now for the inside. So this will be the inside of the card, and we're going to do the happy holidays. And I'm just going to put these right in the center, just up and down. And I did take the letters and I used the paint on the happy and the holidays. Those will also be part of the drawing, but I just took and I colored them with the pens first. And then I did a little bit of paint just to make it look like the snow on the top. So when I'm gluing this down, I'm just going to line it up so I'm even with just one of the lines on my cutting pad. And then the video cut off and I didn't realize it. So I glued the other one down and I started to glue the gingerbread man talking to you guys and just having fun, and realized that it wasn't recording. So I apologize for that. So I'm just going to put just a few of the gingerbread men on the inside. No, I don't like him there. I was going to put him there, but I don't like him there. And again, just I like to lay things down and look at it before I glue them down. I'm just taking my bone folder now just to make sure that that glue is secure. I'm not really sure where I want to stick this one. Now let's put him right there. All right, that looks good. All right, now for the front of the card. So again, this is just going to get glued. So you're going to put glue on it. So I'm just going to put glue on this one side and just on that extra flap. And then I'm just going to line these up, making sure that inside piece is laying flat. And then just line these up together. All right, that's perfect, just like that. All right, then for the front of the card, we're going to put the from our house to yours. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm just going to line up my paper and then just go ahead and just glue this down into the center of the card. Right, and then once that's down, just go ahead and just push that, make sure that glue is down. And then I'm just going to put just a couple more of the gingerbread men on the front. One up in the corner. And we'll put the two down at the bottom. Yeah, probably right about there. Right, as I put that last one on, I think it needs just a little bit more. So I'm going to grab some more embellishments. So I grabbed just some little dots and hearts and just bunches, just different things I have. And let's see, do I want to use those or, oh no, let's use the hearts. Those look better. Let me grab these hearts. All right, so let's move that. All right, so we're going to put a heart right on the bottom between the two. Yeah, let's put them right here. And then we'll put one up on top above the other gingerbread man. And then we'll put one more at the bottom on the right hand or left hand side. Yep, just to add just a little bit of extra cuteness to the card. All right, and that is it. That is the card that we made. I want to thank you for joining me. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Watch for your December newsletter. Bye-bye.